Hey there. Have you heard about the electric vehicle EV buzz lately? It's not just Tesla making waves anymore. Chinese EVs are stepping up their game and giving Western manufacturers a run for their money. So what's the deal? Well, Tesla and other Western car giants are feeling the heat as Chinese companies dive headfirst into the EV market. With Xiaomi, a smartphone champ turned EV contender, rolling out its SU7 model, the competition is getting fierce. Chinese EVs are already dominating global sales, making up a whopping 60%. Tesla and BYD have been duking it out for market share, but Chinese brands are climbing up the ranks fast. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Chinese EVs aren't just a hit in China, they're making waves in other markets too. Take Mexico, for example. You can snag a BYD Dolphin Mini for $21,000 there, while its U.S. counterparts are pricier. Thanks to hefty subsidies and savvy manufacturing, Chinese EVs often come with friendlier price tags. But it's not all about prices. Chinese EVs are getting some serious government support too. From tax breaks to subsidies, China is going all in to boost its EV industry. And it's working. Chinese companies are churning out affordable EVs, driving the global market forward. Of course, Western governments aren't sitting idly by. The U.S., for instance, is mulling over import tariffs on Chinese EVs to protect its auto industry. It's a real tug-of-war between nations, all vying for a piece of the EV pie. But it's not just about business, it's about the environment too. EVs are gaining popularity worldwide for their eco-friendly appeal. Despite some bumps in the road, like the energy needed to make batteries, EVs still come out on top when it comes to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. So, whether you're Team Tesla or cheering for China's EV champs, one thing's for sure, the electric revolution is in full swing, and everyone's invited to the party.